back to the Day Daily. So today we are doing Mal from Descendants 3 and Hades from Descendants 3. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let's do this. First, we're gonna start by spraying Cason's hair white and blue. We're also gonna be using hairspray to spike his hair off, like Hades. Good thing we didn't cut his hair yet.
Hades is dark blue, light blue, and white.
You can get hair colors from a party store or online. First up, check out these awesome costumes. We got these at Disney. These were really good quality because this is actually like leather. This is a lot better than usually you get on Amazon because this one isn't leather, it's just the regular fabric. I actually ordered 2 costumes to see which one was better for you guys. The Disney one is the best, so order it now so that it doesn't sell out when you try to get it. For Jason's costume, we had to kind of DIY because they didn't have a costume for Hades. Hades was kind of important in the movie if you haven't seen it already. Disney, what were you thinking? We need a Hades costume and Hades Ember.
So I just did a blue t-shirt and a leather jacket and my Carlos gloves.
This is what you got at home. Now let's do this. We're gonna start by spraying Jason's hair straight up. I'm using the BTZ Frozen Stiff because this one actually like freezes your hair and stays real good. So.
Daya did a sneeze dab.
First, we're gonna start with this dark blue, and we're gonna start at like here, and we're gonna start kind of at like the base. That's where you mostly want it, and then we're gonna do like the light blue in like the middle, and then the white on the top. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do. It doesn't smell bad when you're doing it, but when you're actually getting it on you, it smells bad. We're gonna use the Untamed turquoise because that one looks green. You can get this color from Sally's. Now the white, just the tips.
Guys, look at my cool hair.
Now what we're doing is using a makeup wipe, trying to get it off his head. Look at Jason's awesome hair. I'm gonna start with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. For the glitter, we're just gonna use some of this glitter. And we're gonna spray the hairspray so it sticks.
For the rest of my look, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my eyeliner. Hades has really pointed eyebrows, so I'm gonna do that. Have a grown-up help you with this.
I'm gonna do the concealer.
See, we're drawing the shape first. Then you just gotta fill it in.
And now I'm gonna do my powder. I'm gonna use this palette. It's called Best Life. This is from Violet Bomb. And look at, there's not just one layer of makeup. There's 2 layers of makeup. I'm gonna start with probably these 2. Vacation and Peace.
Hades also has a goatee, so I'm gonna do that.
So I'm gonna start by using Peace, just a light, kind of a little bit of that, because that piece is kind of dark.
Eyebrow pencil, just little strips.
In the commercials, when I saw the commercials of Descendants 3, I thought this movie was going to be way different, like her finding out that Hades was her dad, but it's kind of different. I'm not going to tell you because you might have not saw it, but it's pretty good. Cameron Boyce was awesome. He played in a bunch of movies and was super funny. We're going to use the fluffy brush after and blend it out. That'll make the edges nice and smooth. blue, just a little bit, because she has kind of blue in this look. So I'm going to use Living, which in this palette is a light blue. Now I'm going to use this fluffy brush, blend it all at the corner.
We're gonna do the eyeliner. We're gonna use a mixture of blue and black. We're doing most of the blue on the bottom. Now we're doing black on top.
Now to do eyeliner, I'm going to use my magic spell book. Let's find the right spell. Here. Beware for swear. Do the perfect eyeliner. There. Eyeliner done. Thanks, spell book. Now I'm going to use this green eyeliner stuff. And it's called Fenty Beauty. And I'm going to put 3 dots under. Now it doesn't have this, but I'm just making it my own. Now to add mascara and lashes. Now we're using this mascara. Again, we're just keeping it all on the top. Except for these, because these are on the bottom. Which Descendants movie is your favorite? I really like the third one. Audrey was pretty in the third one, if you haven't seen her yet. I'm excited to do that look. Okay, time to put on lashes. Lashes done. I'm gonna do my blush. I'm doing flower blush. Now for just a little bit of contour. We're using the butter bronzer. If you ever get this kind, smell it because it smells so good. I think I say that in every video I use this, but it's true. You gotta pucker up your lips like this. That's Sebastian. We're gonna use this ColourPop lipstick called Oceania. Just use a pinky lipstick like this. Now we're gonna add a little highlighter. We're using the Wet n Wild highlighter. I'm using a teeny brush. I'm putting it on the inner corner of my eye. See the difference? And I'm gonna need my spell book again. For the hair, beware for swear. Change the old hair to new hair. This'll do. I love how Mal in Descendants 3 has purple and blue hair. This wig on Amazon is perfect. Time to get Hades. Here's the final looks. I'm Mal.
And I'm Hades. We're from Descendants 3. Drama.
I didn't come to fight. For once, do something right.
I stole souls. Were you expecting flowers?
Get over it! I am over it. I'm over you being over it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Bye.